Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix payment not completed on App Store. If you're trying to initiate a purchase but something wasn't working properly, no matter what you do, the transaction cannot be completed, then in this video we'll explain some of the steps in order to get out of the situation. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. The first thing to do in order to solve the issue is to restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power switch and slide the power button towards the right hand side at the top. Reboot your system, enter your passcode or log in with your Face ID. And once you are done restarting your iPhone, the next thing to do is to check if you've updated the operating system. Open up Settings on your iPhone. From the Settings menu, scroll down and tap General. From the General menu, tap on Software Update. Check for any update available for your operating system, and if you see one, tap on Download and Install. Once you update your operating system, it includes security fixes, new features and patches for old bugs. Once you make this change, you might be able to fix your issue. If the problem still persists, the next thing to do is to sign out and sign into your Apple ID. Open up Settings from your iPhone and from the Settings menu, tap on your account name at the top. Tap on the Sign Out button at the bottom and tap Sign Out again at the top right. Once you're signed out, sign in back again. If you've set it up, you'll need to enter your Apple ID and password along with your two-factor authentication code. And once you are done, open up your App Store, and once you are logged in back again, go ahead and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the easiest fixes you could try out whenever you are not being able to make a payment on App Store. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.